and welcome to the garden. Let's just cut in the old stems and leaves. But first I want to show you something very interesting. So we have a lot of praying mantises in the garden, and here you can see it's the cocoon or the egg sac of the praying mantises, and I leave these because I like praying mantises, first of all, and second of all, they're very useful because they're predating on other insects. Here you can see the leftover seeds of fruits, to be exact, botanically sense fruits of the asparagus, and I will leave them to rot, and it will germinate maybe this spring or next spring. So what I'm doing is just pull up the old leaves and break out these stems, and if they don't break I cut them. And we have here some old grape vines, and I just cut them smaller so they can fit in to this, and then I can bring them to the compost. So it's quite simple, and there's a lot to do. As I said earlier, normally I do this in October or November or December, but this is what we have now. Now I have time. So these are some perennials. So this one is a very nice colored Hibiscus mushotus. And these will sprout quite late in May. And this one is a perennial sunflower. You can already see the new shoots sprouting from the rhizome, which is quite normal at this time of the year. And you can see that from these small rhizomes you can have a whole new plant. So you just break one off like this, plant it, and you will have a new plant. So I want to put this here, and there will be a new plant in spring. It's a very quick and easy and efficient way of propagating these plants. Yeah. I also have some bigger stuff, so these all need to be cut down. I have some roses which had snow damage, so the heavy snow broke down some stems, and I just cut these off, and then later when I see the sprouts I'm going to give them a good trim. And this big one is Helianthus microcephalus lemon queen, and it has big huge stems. And luckily we have a big compost heap so I can put the stems directly onto it. I don't need to put them in or cut them. I just did that with the grape stems because they're bendy. These are very strong stems. I just try to cut as close as possible to the soil, and gosh, maybe you can see that there are also some emerging stems. So just very quick chop down at the base. It's also quite cold for me this morning, so I try to be as quick and efficient as possible. There we go. Oh gosh. So it's great. It's done. And thank you for attention. See you next time. Bye bye.